car is not moving, it's stuck again. इतने से ही मैंने 2 बार गाड़ी घुसा दी थी. I used H4 and एक और feature which I still don't remember the name.
Identify the model type and jump to the section, so you need to jump to the model type D. If it says normally it goes to either front 2 wheels or back 2 wheels. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel My Himalayan Drives. Today I have got Shefali with me. We are sitting in our Toyota Hilux and I have got a new query from my partner. She wants to learn off-roading and over to you.
Okay, I'll just give a small introduction on who I am. Basically, in terms of driving, I have driven manual cars for around 10 to 12 years, and after that, I've switched to automatic. After that, but then my exposure to driving is only when I drive the car in a city. I can handle traffic. I can drive in the hills very comfortable. Basically, I'm from the hills, so I started learning there. So that is my native. But
So you can drive in a straight direction.
I can handle the curves as well. But that's there. So, but then when it comes to off-roading or when it comes to कि गड्ढे में से टपा दो और रोड में से रुला दो और सब कर दो गाड़ी को, that is where my heart starts beating and I'm not able to handle that. So I just wanted to learn the magic. Last experience, I was stuck in sand. I just had to reverse it. And I couldn't do that. The car simply didn't move. This guy got in and I don't know. There was nothing, but then he moved it. So that's something I really want to learn. I had a few basic questions that I've asked him, and Vivek, where would we start? I mean, there are a few buttons that I see that I don't know about right now in this new car. And apart from that, how would you like to start?
I mean, there are two options. One is like you put the vehicle in 4 high, go to the off-road and try and see if you are stuck or you are able to take the vehicle out. But I will suggest that before you...
What is 4 high? Sorry.
Okay. So 4 high is nothing but normally our cars are 2-wheel drives and the engine which actually gives power and rotating torque to the wheels. Normally it goes to either front 2 wheels or back 2 wheels. But 4 high means that engine gives the rotational power to all the 4 wheels. That is how the 4-wheel drive comes handy, that in case your front or rear wheels are stuck, the other wheels which are not stuck and they are also getting rotational power from the engine, they let the vehicle get out of the tricky situations.
Okay. The car is not moving, it's stuck again. अब क्या करोगे?
क्या हुआ?
आपकी गाड़ी नहीं घूम रही है, अब क्या करोगे?
अब मैं LSD ऑन करूंगा. ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल इज नॉट वर्किंग.
रुको, गरीबों के लिए जरा इसको वो स्पैन करके बता दो प्लीज.
तो मैंने ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ऑफ और LSD ऑन कर दिया है. एंड इफ यू सी ऑटो LSD, सो दिस इज लिमिटेड स्लिप डिफरेंशियल. अभी H4 में मैं नहीं गया हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू ड्राइव इधर. आई विल बी एबल टू टेक इट आउट इन LSD. ओके,
ठीक है, अभी रुको, मैं दूर से मैं चल जाऊँ. मिट्टी कम उड़ाना प्लीज.
So here we are, first obstacle for Shefali, lot of loose sand, vehicle is in rear wheel drive mode और 4-wheel drive नहीं लगाया है, तो because of no traction the rear wheels they are spinning, and basically the purpose is to get out of this situation using one of the features of Hilux which is auto LSD. क्या हुआ शेफाली?
गाड़ी फंस गई.
हाँ,
गाड़ी फंस गई, रिवर्स नहीं हो रही.
you wanted to learn off-roading? This is off-roading. ओके स्टॉप. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पर एक ये मैंने ऑन कर दिया है LSD, ऑटो LSD, राइट?
जो ये वाला
हाँ.
है ऑटो LSD. ओके,
Right.
ओके. कैसे ऑन किया आपने ऑटो LSD?
दिस वन, ठीक है.
अच्छा, ये ऑन
हाँ.
और ऑफ लिखा है. ठीक है,
ठीक है. तभी ऑटो LSD ऑन है. नाउ यू ट्राई टू रिवर्स.
गियर पे इसी पे शुड आई throttle?
Now another trick is अगर पीछे नहीं जा रही है थोड़ा आगे आओ and then go back. Okay?
अब मैं थोड़ा आगे करूँ?
The trick is अगर पीछे नहीं जा रही है थोड़ा आगे आओ फिर पीछे जाओ. Okay.
अब रिवर्स करो?
Right. Yeah.
अब रिवर्स करो?
Now this is second obstacle for Shefali. यहाँ पर हमने फिर से गाड़ी फंसा दी है. But this time instead of auto LSD, we will apply H4 and we will try to get out of the situation.
वो नीचे लग रहा है.
कुछ नहीं नीचे लग रहा है. You are stuck.
यहाँ
Okay.
पर डिस्टेंस है. जब मैं वो कर रही हूँ तो
Okay. Wait. Hold on. H4 करो. जो 4 व्हील ड्राइव है H4.
H2
Move
पे
to H4,
H4 ठीक है.
अब यहाँ पर H4 इंगेज हो जाएगा. उसकी लाइट आ जानी चाहिए.
ओके ये ब्लिंक कर रही है.
ब्लिंक कर रही है.
हाँ
जब वो स्टेबल हो जाएगा तो H4 लग जाएगा. ठीक है.
ओके अभी वो ब्लिंक ही कर रहा है.
ओके.
ओके तो उसको स्टेबल करने के लिए
So H4 is stable now, right? So you are in 4 high. Okay. Now let's try that. Yep. So Shefali, would you like to add anything?
हाँ इतने से ही मैंने 2 बार गाड़ी फंसा दी थी. आई यूज्ड H4 एंड एक और फीचर विच आई स्टिल डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम बट इट वाज नाइस एंड आई थिंक अभी मुझे यू टर्न मार के वापस जाना है तो मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही है कि मैं निकाल पाऊंगी कि नहीं निकाल पाऊंगी गाड़ी बट इट वाज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस.
Okay. गाड़ी यहाँ पर फंसा दी है. अगर आप देख पाओ तो पिछले वाला पहिया जो है दिस इज इनसाइड सैंड. चारों तरफ सैंड है. शेफाली अभी आप नॉर्मल 2 व्हील ड्राइव में लेट्स ट्राई टू पुल आउट द व्हीकल. लेट्स सी. बेसिकली देयर इज नो ट्रैक्शन. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट आई विल से कि एक बार के लिए आप LSD ऑन करिए. लिमिटेड स्लिप डिफरेंशियल.
ओके दैट इज ये वाला.
यस. लिमिटेड
Okay.
स्लिप डिफरेंशियल. जब आप
Okay.
ये करते हो तो यहाँ पर LSD की लाइट ऑन हो जाएगी एंड
इट इज नॉट
नो यू आर पुट प्रेसिंग द रॉन्ग बटन. ऊपर वाला प्रेस करना है.
ओके अच्छा ओके ऑटो
सो
LSD
नाउ ऑटो LSD राइट. सो अब
हाँ
एक्टिव ट्रैक्शन ऑफ हो गया है. दिस इज ऑटो LSD. यू आर स्टिल इन 2 व्हील ड्राइव मोड. मतलब आप 4 व्हील ड्राइव मोड में नहीं हो. इट्स ओनली ऑटो LSD इन विच वी आर ट्राइंग लिमिटेड स्लिप डिफरेंशियल एंड नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू पुल आउट द व्हीकल. Go on, go on. Yes, keep on. Don't leave the throttle. Yeah. So, okay. So basically, you tried to move little bit in LSD mode, but LSD में भी you were not able to pull out, right? So now what we will do, turn off the LSD and हम H4 करेंगे try.
ओके सो बस इसको rotate
This is
करते
4
हैं.
wheel drive,
ठीक
right?
है.
तो
And
ये
ये-
blink जो कर रही है,
हाँ
once it becomes stable, that means H4 लग गया है, right?
ठीक है.
So we'll wait for some time for it to get engaged.
ओके अच्छा व्हेन आई एम ड्राइविंग माय कार बीच में मैं इसको H4 नहीं डाल सकती.
H4 you can drive. अगर आपकी स्पीड 100 से कम है तो you can anytime apply H4.
ठीक है.
For H to 4 low you cannot go. You have to stop the car and then engage 4
What do
low.
I do? It's still blinking.
So try to reverse it a little bit. After some time it will become stable. स्टेबल हो गया
हाँ जी.
एंड स्टेबल से ज़्यादा नाउ यू कैन फील दैट द मोमेंट यू ट्राई टू
Reverse, it got reversed. Should I
ओके
go forward?
यप
I'm out.
Congratulations, you passed your first task.
Thank you.
Shivali, how do you feel now?
I feel good. 2 बार गाड़ी फंसा दी इतने से में.
Okay.
But thankfully वो निकल गई. I did not hurt the car. That was the best part. But of course it feels good and confident on off-roading.
So now you are a professional off-roader.
No, I am not. I'm just starting and he's my teacher. इन्हीं की गाड़ी तोड़ूंगी तो इसलिए he's my everything. But then it was nice. I learned कि गाड़ी कहीं से भी निकल जाती है फंस के टेंशन नहीं लेने का. But of course यार H4 LSD मतलब क्या किया वो नहीं पता. कुछ बटन प्रेस किया और गाड़ी निकल गई. But what were they about? What I did technically क्या था? And what did that mean? I don't know.
Okay. So basically LSD, high, 4 high, 4 low. These are some technical terms about off-roading. But my recommendation is go for owner's manual. Go through it so that you are able to know, like, in case any warning comes up or you need to apply any function, how you can refer the instrument cluster to know that whether that function has been engaged, or if some malfunction has occurred, you are able to know and take corrective action then and there only without damaging the vehicle. Owner's manual is a must. And to quickly summarize, I'll not ask you that you go through the owner's manual of Toyota Hilux. First, they don't provide a hard copy. You have to go online. Second, it's a global vehicle which has been launched recently in India, but across the globe it has been launched way earlier than
Okay.
launching in India. So the manual which you get online, it's a common manual across different types of vehicles,
Okay.
and it becomes really
Cumbersome to
solving
be
a
able
puzzle
to
to
understand.
read and get to know. So the way I have learnt is within India, there is a specific model of Toyota Hilux which has been launched,
Okay.
and the way I remember it is MDEADB.
Okay.
So I'll say
MDEADB. Okay.
MDEADB. That is what I will recommend that learn it. So MD is model type. So model type is D. E as in external facade, जो radiator के सामने वाली mesh है. So they call it external type. So that is type A. So
Okay.
MD model type
EA.
D, EA external type A, and DB. D as in display. That
Okay.
is easy to memorize. But the instrument cluster जहाँ पर आपको H4,
Speedometer,
LSD
okay,
सारा कुछ
okay,
दिख रहा था,
okay.
that is instrument cluster.
Okay.
और उसको मैं display बोलता हूँ. Display type is B.
Okay.
So if you are referring owner's manual, आपको सीधे jump करना है. If it says identify the model type and jump to the section, so you need to jump to the model type D.
D.
If it says instrument cluster type, so you know now that
B.
you need to jump to type B. And if
Okay.
there is anything specific to external type, then you need to jump to A.
A.
So MDEADB, that is the bottom line to remember. You can straight away jump to MDEADB. And within owner's manual, I will say that the driving tips, that is a must for you to go through, so that you know what does auto LSD means, what is active traction control, what is H4, how to engage them. At least this much bit everyone should know.
Okay. I understand.
Stay tuned for more to follow. Do provide us your feedback, and please like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you.